Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the frames per second or the resolution on your camera with OBS on your PC. So maybe your camera isn't showing up because you have the wrong resolution. It's just a black screen or something like that. So go to your scene. So I'm just going to go to full web camera for this scene. And then go to your video capture device. So you can go to plus icon, video capture device, and then just add your camera in here. Double click this. Make sure you have the correct device. So it might be on like default or something like that. Just go to your webcam, HD Pro webcam C920. I probably have to get a new webcam. It's been like maybe 10 years since I've had this one, but it still works great and looks great. But what we want to do is go on down to custom resolution FPS type instead of device default. Sometimes when you have it listed to device default, the image quality is just off, and sometimes it can be really, really laggy. So I say go to custom all the time. And I know the maximum resolution for my webcam is 1920 by 1080. So yours might be like 4K. So you might have to bump it up under here so you can get something a little bit better resolution. And then you just go to highest frames per second is probably what you want, actually. Otherwise, match output FPS. So I don't know what my FPS is on for just this one, but I think it's 60 frames per second. Whatever I'm recording at, it says 60 frames per second down here. I'll show you how to change that. So it says match, it says auto selected 30. So just go to highest frames per second. You should be good. Go right there. You get the different color space. Go to this, whatever that is, and then color change, limiter, full, buffering, auto detected, enable, disable, flip, auto rotate, and then capture audio only. All right, so we have that in here. Now, a lot of times, like in OBS, the color might be slightly off. So we can double tap this, or I mean right click on it. So go to where our camera is, go to filters. Then we go down to, it says audio video filter plus icon. And well, this would be for the audio. We want to go to effects filter down here. And we can add color correction. And just go to color correction, yeah. And then we can go to gamma, contrast, brightness, saturation. So we can add maybe a little bit of saturation and a little bit of contrast. And maybe make it slightly darker for the gamma. And you can do whatever you want under here, but that seems to be the best for me. And it looks pretty good. The focus is a little off right there for some reason. And it looks pretty good now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.